Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Welcome to Sodiq Akarid YouTube channel. Don't forget to join our community memberships link in the description below. Today, we're going to talk about how you can earn money on your Facebook page. Did you know that Facebook has a monetization feature called Facebook Page Earnings? This feature allows you to earn money from your Facebook page by displaying ads to your audience. The amount you earn depends on factors like your audience size, engagement, and ad performance. To get started, head to your Facebook page, click on monetization, and then apply for page earnings. Facebook will review your page and, if approved, you'll be able to start earning money from your page. Remember, this is just one of many ways to monetize your social media presence. Keep creating engaging content, build your audience, and explore other monetization options as well. First things first, let's look at some of the most popular ways to make money on Facebook. One of the easiest methods is to create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or even artwork. You can also consider offering services like consulting or coaching to your followers. Another way to monetize your Facebook page is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services that you believe in and earning a commission for every sale made through your link. Finally, you can create sponsored content, where brands pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Remember, it's important to create valuable content that your followers will enjoy and engage with. By providing value and building a strong community, you will be in a great position to start earning money on your Facebook page. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay awesome, everyone!